ಯಾರು ಅನನ್ಯನ?
Ananya took her to Parvati for a children like $450 I spent.
ಓ ಅದೇನಾ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು?
Seriously? You guys are spending so much on it and that you are not using it like every day or anything. Why you have to spend yearly once or twice they are using? Unless they use it regularly. How could you are spending so much? They're like, I don't know, whatever they are showing we have to buy, so I'm just buying. Is it like that is where their business thing come into picture. They would give you the expensive gift, the one. So you really don't need for these girls. Unless like, you know, they're regular users or anything. You should have at least asked. It's like, I have no idea what are these things. Instead of like every year anyway we would need it. So thinking that I took her for both the girls anyway. My younger one also needs, so I took them.